Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will continue our discussion on PHP. So today we will see an introduction to PHP include construct. The include construct allow you to load the code from another file into a file. So now we will look at the syntax of our include construct. We have our keyword include, and then we will give the path of the file which we want to include in this code. In this syntax, you place the path to the file after the include keyword. For example, to load the code from function.php file into the index.php file, you can use the following include statement. Include functions.php. If PHP cannot find the functions.php file in the source directory, it's include a warning. For example, we will get a warning like include function.php failed to open stream, no such file or directory on the line number 4. Next, we can have an error like include failed opening function.php for inclusion. So next, when loading the function.php file, PHP first look for the function.php file in the directory specified by include path. In this example, XAMPP/php/peer, if the PHP can find the function.php file there, it load the code from the file. Otherwise, PHP searches the function.php file in the directory of calling script and current working directory. If PHP can find the function.php file there, it loads the code, otherwise it issues a warning if the file does not exist. When PHP loads the function.php file, it actually executes the code inside the function.php file. For example, if you place the following code in the function.php file, function get copyright return copy and write date by phptutorial.net, all right reserved, and then we will echo the copyright and include the function.php in the index.php file. You will see the following output when you run the index.php. This demonstrates that the include construct does not make PHP executes code in the function.php file. PHP include examples. In this practice, you will often use the include construct to page elements from a journal site design. For example, all pages in your website may have the same header and footer. To avoid repeating these elements on multiple pages, you can place the code of the header and footer in separate files such as header.php and footer.php. They include them on the pages. Typically, you place the templates like header.php and footer.php in separate directory. By convention, name of include directory is inc. So we have index.php, function.php, include footer, header.php, then in public we have our CSS, and then we have our JavaScript. The header.php file contains the code of the header of the page. It has link to style.css file located in the public CSS directory. So you can see in this example, we have our public CSS and then style.css. The footer.php file contains the code related to the footer page. In the index.php file you can include the header.php and footer.php file like this.